Okay, we're here on the Arizona Trail, and we take water for some pretty murky sources like cow tanks, so it's really important to flush your Sawyer filter as often as you can so that the flow rate keeps high. So in our case, it's been about 8 liters of water that we've used this for since we last flushed it, and all you really need is your filter, a clean water source, and a plunger. So all you do is you draw up some water, and you've got to use maximum force. Actually, first you have to tap it. This is important too. If you tap it on the side like this, it loosens up all of the gunk that's inside here, and it makes for better flow afterwards. So you take the plunger, and you're going to use maximum pressure to get as much as you can out. Okay, you ready? So you saw the worst of it, and but I like to keep flushing for at least 6 or 7 times, and you can see the water gets progressively better and cleaner as you continue to flush it. That one was still a little brown, surprisingly, so I'm going to do it again. That looks a lot more clear. And I'm going to do my 7th and final plunge. And there you go. Ready for the next leg of the trip.